Dear friends, I will show you 2 points, remembering which the use of would, should and could will be clear to you definitely. Now, one thing, at the last of the video, I give there some exercises for you, that is for your practice purpose only. Now see, would. What is would? Where do we use would? That is the past form of will. See this sentence, direct speech. He said he will do it. Now in indirect sentence, what? He said that he would do it. One that is added and would is here replacing will. Now see, for should, here this is the past form of shall. I said I shall do it. That is a direct sentence. In indirect form, that will be I said that I should do it. It is an indirect speech. Here we use should replacing shall. Now see, could. This is the past form of can. The sentence I said I can do it. Direct speech. In indirect speech, I said that I could do it. Here that is added and here is could replacing can. So this is the use of would, should and could. This is the first point. Now the second point. Second point is would used for imagination purpose. The imagination, that is in future something will happen which is explaining in the past. Now should used for obligation and advice, to say what is the right thing to do. Now could, where we use could? For possibility, the chance to do something, and for some permission purpose and some ability purpose. Now see it. Would, imaginary action. That is, if I were an aeroplane, I would have reached by native place immediately. Here this is the imagination. As an aeroplane, I would reach to our native place. So here for an imaginary action we use here would. Now see for should. That is to say what is the right thing to do. You should reach on time. The on time reaching is the right thing to do. So we use here should. The train should reach by now. That is the probability of reaching the train. When the train will reach, the train should reach by now. We use here should for the probability purpose. Now see for could. The pen could be on my table. I left my pen on the first floor and now I am at ground floor. I am thinking that the pen may be there in the first floor on my desk. So this is a possibility that the pen there. So we use here could. The pen could be there, could use there as a possibility. See, could I borrow your book please? There is one possibility to take his book. So we say like that. Could I borrow your book? This is taking the permission. Now another sentence. She could write by both hands when she was 6. Means that it is an ability. That at the age of 6, someone write by both hands. For that ability we use here could. So could we used in 3 cases. One is the possibility that the pen may be there, we used here could. For the another thing, for some permission, taking the permission to take his book, we use here could. Could I borrow your book please? And for the ability, to explain some ability of any person, that is she could write by both hands when she was 6. Now we see that would used in the past form of will and would used as an imaginary action, that was imagining something will happen in future but explaining in the past. Where you should is the past form of shall and should used here to say what is right to do. So 2 things, that is past form of shall and to do the right thing, we use there should. These 2 points. where we use could, that is for the past form of can and for some possibility. 2 points we use could, past form of can and possibility, some taking permission to anybody, for some ability we use could. So this is the simple thing, 2 points, would, past form of will, and imaginary action, should, past form of shall, and to say what is right to do, could, past form of can, and possibility, permission, ability. That's it. Dear friends, now see some common examples of would and could. See, teacher is saying, give me your books. Would you? Now also, give me your books. Could you? So here we use would and could both. Now see another sentence. Would you lend me some money? Also, could you lend me some money? Here also we use would and could both. See another sentence. Aditi left some fruits so that Aryan could eat it later. Aditi left some fruits so that Aryan would eat it later. So here also we use would or could. So in 3 sentences, 3 examples are there where we use would and could both. That is some formal type, to ask someone in a formal way, in a gentle manner, polite manner. Also some asking something or taking some permission to take something, so that is also in a polite and gentle manner. Here also Aryan could eat, Aryan would eat. That is the past form of can and will. Now we will explain you another 3 examples where we use would and should common. See, I would like to thanks for your cooperation. Also, I should like to thanks for your cooperation. Here also we use would and should both. Now see, we would not be able to sit exams without proper study. Also we use we should not be able to sit exams without proper study. Also here we use would and should both. Also see one example more. If had lots of chocolate, I would distribute you all. See, some imagination. Lots of chocolates, so I would distribute you all. Also here, if had lots of chocolate, I should distribute you all. This is also one type of use of would and should. This is the common use. So here we see some common uses of would and could. Would you open the door? Also, could you open the door? Also you can say, should you open the door? See, for would we can use that, would you open the door? And for could we also use, could you open the door? Here we use that, we should open the door. Now see, here are some examples to use would, should and could. Number 1, would you like a cup of tea? It is a type of polite approach, a formal approach. Here we use would, not should, not could. Number 2 example, would you mind to share your PC with me? Here we use would your mind, not should, not could. This is also a type of polite approach. Number 3, we are thinking for an outing on tomorrow. This is, the outing is not fixed as on date. It is at a thinking level. So for imagination level, we use here would. That would be great. Now see example number 4. If I were the king of the city, I would improve the economy system. Here we use would because the person is not the king of the city. This is his imagination only, that if he were the king of the city, then he would improve the economy system. So for that purpose, imagination purpose, we use here would. Also, the car would not start in evening. So these are the 5 examples to use where to use would, not should, not could. Now see more 5 examples where we will use could. See, the thief could not speak truth until the police came. Here could is used as the past form of can. Could you post this letter please? Here This is a type of permission. He asked permission from somebody that if he could post this letter. So for the permission, there is some possibility that the person, it is possible that the person can post his letter. So for permission, for possibility, we use here could. Now I could not remember her name. Here we use could at the past form of can. We not use here should or would. See, could I borrow your pen please? Here we also use could. It is also a type of permission, taking permission. Now the fifth example to use could. Most people could be able to cycling. It is one type of ability that the most people could be able to cycling. Now more 5 examples on should. See, to discuss over the matter, to whom should we meet? Here we use should, not would, not could. See, what is this? To discuss over the matter. So, what is the best thing to do to discuss over the matter? The best thing to do is to whom should we meet? So, for to do the right thing, to do the best thing, we use a should. Now see, number 2 example. The result of competition is out. We should know it. So the result of competition is out. Now what is the right thing to do? The right thing to do is to know about it. What is the result? So this is that. To know about the result, here we write, we should know it. See example number 3. Our team won the match. So now what is the right thing to do? The right thing to do is to congratulate them. So we should congratulate them. We use here should, not would, not could. See example number 4. I don't wish to reply the mail, but perhaps I should. It means that I don't wish to reply the mail, but what is the right thing to do? I am not wishing, but the right thing is I should reply. So here we use should. The 5th example, the people are not getting proper treatment. Now what is the right thing to do? The right thing to do is to build more health centers. So here we use should. So should we use the right thing to do? Here in 5 examples, not would, not could. See one more example. My friend said it would be raining throughout the day. It means it is a assumption, it is a imagination. So we use a would. Now I also think it could happen. It means this is, I also think that yes, it is possible. So for possibility we use a could. Now we should prepare ourselves with umbrella, jacket and rainy shoes. It means what is the right thing to do now to prevent ourselves from rain? Right thing to do is to prepare ourselves with umbrella. So for right thing to do, we use a should. So for imagination purpose of raining, use here could. So what is the possibility? We use here could. And now to do the right thing, we use a should. So these all are the use of would, should and could. Now see the exercise. It is for you. You do it and comment me in the comment box if any problem you face there. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. The subscription button is below the video. You click on that and click on the bell button so that I can make much more videos for you. Till then, bye.